Hi guys, so here's my contest entry to the contest of DonkeyBlonkey28. First of all, congratulations to all those subscribers. And I'm gonna answer one of the three questions that I had to answer to be eligible for the first place winner prize, I guess. Because otherwise I'm just gonna forget. And I'm gonna answer the question with the initials KJ means, and they're basically initials for your name. So for Kevin Joe, and so yeah, that's the answer to that question. Now the other part, obviously, and the most important one, was to show off anything that's anime related. To be honest, my collection is gonna be really pathetic compared to other people's collection when it comes to anime, because I've just recently decided that I want to really start collecting anime. So yeah, it's yeah. But I'm just gonna show you what I have, and yeah. So I finally started collecting the Ghibli movies. I have Arrietty, but this is the Dutch release, and I really want it to match the UK editions on Blu-ray. So I'm also gonna purchase Arrietty in the UK form. So it looks a lot nicer. The other ones that I own is Kiki's Delivery Service, which is a beautiful movie, obviously. My Neighbor Totoro, Grave of the Fireflies, and then a movie, due to the exams I haven't been able to watch yet, is The Wind Rises. Yeah, I'm really, I had to, it took me quite a while to find the genre I love in anime, and I'm really a big fan of slice of life, basically. I've seen other movies from Ghibli. For example, From Up on Poppy Hill is heading my way on Blu-ray. I ordered it, and it's my favorite Ghibli movie so far. I've also seen Whisper of the Heart, and My Neighbors, the Yamadas. Excuse me if I pronounce titles incorrectly. So I guess those are the ones that are on Blu-ray and are the closest to slice of life anime. Then obviously there's also Only Yesterday and Ocean Waves, but I haven't seen those one because they're just not on Blu-ray yet. But the very first movie that I watched from Ghibli was Ponyo, and then Tales of Earthsea. But I'm definitely not a fan of those two. I really don't like them. So I was a little bit put off, and I was like, okay, apparently anime is just not my thing. But I just had to find my genre. Obviously, like everyone else of my age, I grew up with Pokemon. So I also have those seasons. These are the Pokemon Chronicles, the UK editions, and I kind of wish that I bought the Australian release, because that's in one nice box set, just like these, because these are the Australian releases. I love how uniform they look. They are beautiful packaging. For once, I believe that the US releases are not as beautiful as another release, in this case the Australian releases. There are like 16 seasons, 16 box sets of these. Obviously I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They are sadly changing the packaging, so these are how they look, and I love, they're really beautiful. But now they're changing them to regular DVD cases, which is definitely not an improvement. So and now I'm trying. These packaging. This packaging is out of print, so you have to get them from third-party sellers, or there are still a few seasons left in stock in stores. So I picked up season 12 and season 16 in this type of packaging from Mighty Ape, the Australian website. So they have that one in very good prices, those 2 seasons. So if you want to pick that up, I really recommend that website. And I also picked up Pokemon Origins, and basically it's based off the actual game, and not on the story of Ash, but on Blue and Red. You know, basically the game. And they say it's a little bit violent, but it's really cool to watch if you're still into, you know, Pokemon and stuff. I also have a lot of the games on Nintendo 3DS, so that's basically the only stuff that I have that is closely, you know, to anime. All the other stuff is more animation. You know, so yeah, I know it's a very small collection, but I still hope you've kind of enjoyed it, so thank you for watching, and maybe till next time.